how to set default or alternative keyboard layout on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Layout. After click on Layout, click on Button and Symbol Layout, and you will see default and alternative is here. If you want to set button and symbol layout alternative, click on alternative. You will see button and symbol layout is set on alternative. If you want to set button and symbol layout default, click on default. After click on default, you will see button and symbol layout is set on default. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set default or alternative keyboard layout on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.